2468 back to you to modulate.
Yeah, you're all right, mate. Yeah, no problem there, Steve. Yeah, you're booming there. I don't know how far you've got up the motorway.
I couldn't tell you, junction 10ish, something like that. What's my actual report though, Dave? I know you can hear me.
Yeah, give us a quick number and I'll just get close to the radio and have a look. You're giving me a radio 5 anyway, there's no doubt about that, nice and loud. Just let's have a look at the signal reading.
Right, 2468 back to you to modulate, how's that?
Yeah, it's peaking, it's going a steady 5 and sometimes peaking at 7 there, so yeah, it's not a problem there. It's just when you get a bit further away, you just need that little bit of extra power there, Steve.
Yeah, got you. Just hang on, Dave. Right, this morning I'm on the Superstar 3900 with a standard mic on it, just chatting to Dave. I've actually got an extension speaker on the dashboard now rather than a rig, which is what I think a better option. It keeps the audio near the camera and I've got better vision out the front of the car. So there you are, let's see how we do. Yeah, I've got my camera rolling as usual, Dave. But we'll just see how we do on this. I'm just gutted really that I never picked up my power mic. That would have helped a bit.
Yeah, I'm sure it would, but the old standard mic sounds okay, but it'd certainly make a difference with the old power mic there. But it's... excuse me. Oh, dear.
Go on, Dave.
It's certainly working okay, there's no doubt about that. It's a pretty decent modulation as well, you know, so yeah, it's doing the job.
Yeah, good. Oh, I'll just tell you what I've done. I've got the rig's on the passenger seat. I've got an extension speaker on this, which I've never ever used, but this morning I'm using one. That's sat on the dashboard. And on the end of the power leads, which have been beefed up with 40 amp cables, I've got two crocodile clips, and I've just hooked it to the battery in the back, Dave. That's the mobile setup.
Yeah, well, it's doing the job, mate. There's no doubt about that. Nice, typical Superstar stroke 148 beat there. So yeah, all nice. Yeah, it's working okay. It's just you need the old power mic and the little bit of extra power there to give it that little bit of extra oomph. Yeah.
Yeah, Roger. I've got some bleed over, so somebody's either close to me or running a bit of power a little bit further away, but I can still hear you, Dave.
Yeah, Roger on that. Yeah, your whole signal's starting to drop a bit now, but that's only that makes sense anyway, because as I say, you're most probably getting further and further away from me, Rog. This is 061 in the group in around about the St Albans, Bedfordshire area. Go ahead. Fred, I might have heard a bit of a voice there, but that's about it. Did you get anything your way, Fred?
Negative, Dave, not when you called out. Someone went under you there with Roger bleed up. There may have been Paul, but no one on the general shout. Okay then, so shall we let Steve try and we should be able to get up to Eric and that and Paul. So yeah, Charlie Tango 318. Do you want to try and call the Luton boys? Eric and Paul's out there. Back to you, Steve.
Yeah, will do. Yeah, how about it, Mr. Paul 318 mobile for you?
Frequency all over the show. Back to you.
Well, I've spoke to you on it yesterday. I've videoed you on it. It might be a little bit off frequency, but the audio on it's fine, or it was yesterday. But I'll tell you how to sort that out. I did it myself. I was on the way home one night, I was chatting to Fred and all the rest, and I was off. So I just parked up, went in the menu, put it right, but of course since then you've reset it. But yeah, it's an easy fix, Paul.
Yeah, hang on a minute, I'll be back in a sec.
Right, back to you, Dave.
All right, well, give Mr. Eric a shout there, Steve. He's on the side there.
Yeah, come on, Eric. 318 for you, mate.
That's your 318, mate. I take it you've had a good day today. Is that a rod?
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, I ain't had a bad day, thanks, mate. As you probably heard me saying, I'm on a different rig, just 12 watts out today, Eric.
It's just a little bit lower, me, to what you usually are, but I can make out what you're saying, I can. Back to you, Steve.
Yeah, Roger, mate. Well, like I was saying to Paul, I did set the rig up for the 305, but I don't know why he's reset it, and obviously anything I've done's been undone, but I'll talk him through it later on. He'll get it right, Eric.
Roger on that, yeah. There's a big quiet on me at the moment, so I'm getting a bit of noise up at my end. Back to you.
Yeah, I'm back, by the way.
I've come back now, Steve.
Yeah, got ya. Yeah, Paul, I'll chat to you later on the phone, mate, to get your 6900 sorted.
You want me to put the 6900 on?
No, not now, mate, because everyone will be moaning at your off frequency. We'll do it later on, mate.
I can't get anybody. I can get you, but you're the only one I can get on upper sideband and that.
Yeah, it's because I'll clarify you in, Paul, that's all.
Yeah, well, Dave tried to clarify me in, but he couldn't do nothing.
Is that right, Dave?
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, hold on a minute. What are you on now, Paul?
I'm on the Ranger.
I was going to say, yeah, I couldn't, nor Fred couldn't either. You was right, Donald, up there, Steve.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what, I'll QSY with Paul and we'll have a chat. Paul, go up the channel, mate. Go up the channel and stick your 6900 on. I'll see what's occurring. The other lads, I'll say 73s for now. Cheers for the chat, and I'll probably catch you tomorrow. And Dave, I'll listen out for you in the morning, mate.
Roger on that. Catch you in the morning. Catch you there, Paul. You take care, and I'm sure you get that sorted out. Steve will get that sorted out for you. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go.
Now, this little bit of video here is a weird one, because no one seems to be able to clarify Paul on the 305. Right, just chat for a minute, Paul. I just got to re-clarify, mate.
Okay, anybody there? How about you, Mr. Eric? Are you on here? Are you on this one? Hello.
Well, I'm here anyway. I've got you clarified perfectly now, mate. So, did Eric actually manage to speak to you on 305, or could he not understand you?
No, he couldn't understand me. I was Donald ducking again on 305.
I'm just stuck for words, Paul. I mean, I'm on an old 3900 and all I do is turn the clarifier and there you are.
Yeah, well, I got Eric to turn his clarifier, but he said he couldn't get me off a Donald duck.
Right, go back there again. I just want to demonstrate something here because I'm recording on the video.
Okay, mate. Yeah, I'll go there. I'll meet you there.
What about? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. Clarify me in, please. Thank you very much. There you go.
Right, done. It's as quick as that. I'll just turn the clarifier. Because to be honest, listening to what you was being told on the 305, anyone would think there was actually something wrong with your rig. You know, your audio was oscillating, you was drifting, you were doing this, that and the other. Right, hi YouTubers, it's another Charlie Tango 318 video with a little bit of a difference, or something different should I say. Some of you will be aware and some won't that I sold my 9900 the other day, and I sold it to Mark, one of the guys that you might have sometimes heard on the 305 net. Now he's on it this morning. I haven't actually spoken yet, but he's chatting to Dave, and Mark is quite a long way from me at the minute, so let's see how things go.
In here, it was only a tiny little thing. Could hardly, it was always breaking
That's
down.
Dave.
And you know, it just didn't warm the house up. So we got a few quotes, and these people come out and broke.
Typical morning for me. Queuing to get on the motorway, and it's just gone up past 7. It's ridiculous nowadays. I'll have to clear my windscreen a little bit, but
So since we've had it, so just how it goes, isn't
the
it?
camera's now focused on the steam on the windscreen.
Anyway, let's see if Mr. 318's out there. Yeah, Charlie Tango 318 with Mark the King mobile out there this morning, Steve.
Yeah, morning Dave.
Yeah, morning Steve. How are you this morning, mate?
Yeah, not too bad, thanks. I don't know how I sound. I'm on a power mic. I'm not sure if I've got it set too high or not.
Yeah, oh, I see you're still on the 3900. Yeah, the purple, you get a bit of a funny noise, and then it just briefly seems to go when you press the mic key, then it's okay. But yeah, you're definitely louder. There's no doubt about that. Yeah, you got Mark out there on the 9900. He's booming to me, mate. Best I've ever heard him. Give him a call.
Yeah, come on Mark, 318 for you. Just getting on the motorway, junction 11. What's that, St Albans? That's junction 8, isn't it? Yeah, okay, cheers Mark. I'm just getting on now. Just creeping off the slip road onto the old granny lane, mate. Yeah, I'm not in a good spot at the minute, Mark. You still got me, Dave?
Yeah, still got you, Steve. That power mic certainly makes a difference there, but it ain't a patch on the King, mate.
Yeah, I hear this word being bantered about a lot lately, and I heard you quoting to Mark that I said it's King. It weren't me who ever said that. Yeah, they're a good rig without a doubt, Dave.
Yeah, roger on that. Yeah, you got a funny noise coming over with you with that microphone. I don't know whether you got it set too high or what, or the mic gain's too high, but it is a sort of funny noise when you first start, and then it disappears. Yeah, it sort of goes and then your modulation's fine.
Okay, mate. Well, I've turned it down a little bit. I don't know whether it's still doing it now, Dave.
Yeah, come back again. It weren't doing it then. Go again, Steve.
Right, I'll give you a little bit of chat. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was short to go. Hello?
Yeah, hello. That's sorted it, mate. Yeah, that's done it. Yeah, no funny noise now, mate. Yeah, that certainly made a difference. So I assume you're still on the 3900, Rog?
Well, I don't know. I'll let you know in a minute. What's my signal report at the minute, Dave? If you can have a look at the old signal meter. 2468, back to you to deviate.
Yeah, it's ranging between 5, 7 and 8 there, and that noise is still there when you first key up. It goes like a and then you're okay after that, yeah?
Okay, mate. Well, we'll have to grin and bear with that for the time being. And no, I'm not on the 3900. I'm on my 9900, but I've got the power mic on it.
Oh right, yeah, we're on the 9900. Well, you ain't giving me the signal that you usually give me, Steve.
Well, I don't know. I can't explain that, mate. I know what this rig does and what it's capable of, and trust me, it's doing it at the minute. But I might have to delve into the menu dinner time and just back the mic gain off a little bit.
Yeah, roger on that. Yeah, that microphone looks sounds all that handy, to be quite honest.
It's
Just spectacular. Did you bring it with you, or did you leave it at home?
It's not working, Dave. I put a bit of switch cleaner in it last night, and when I first keyed up this morning there was no TX, so I unplugged it and shoved this one in. This is, but like I say, you'll have to grin and bear it, mate. Right, I've turned the mic down a little bit more. Has that improved it at all?
Still doing it, Steve. Are you speaking close to the microphone, or you got it at arm's length sort of thing?
Right, that's at arm's length. How are we doing now?
Yeah, it's still doing that noise. When you first, every time you know, on sideband, the voice only comes over as you speak. Every time you speak, it goes like that.
Well, I don't know. Well, ain't nothing I can do about it, Dave. It's a brand new mic. I think I've used it once before, but by what you're describing, it sounds like a dirty switch. But like I say, it's brand new, mate.
Yeah, roger. Yeah. Well, can you explain better than me, Mark? You must be hearing that as well, Rog. No noise coming over with you now, mate. So that's more like it, mate.
Yeah, good. Obviously, being mobile and the rig being menu based, it ain't easy when someone says, you know, I'll do this, or you know. But I think I might be heading in the right direction now, Dave. But yeah, go back to Mark and see where he is. On his last few overs, he was in the noise to me, to be honest, but I think he's a fair way in front of me, Dave.
On that, yeah, he was booming into me there, but I think he was coming to a standstill. Yeah, Mark, you're still out there, mate? Yeah, I ain't getting nothing from Mark at the moment there, Steve, but he was using the 9900 this morning, and he was absolutely smashing into me there, the best I ever heard him, Rog.
Yeah, Roger. Well, you know, we were chatting the other day. He had the option of buying this one or that one, and I thought, as much grief as what Mark's had with that dodgy grant that he's got, I thought I'd rather him have the new one, and that way, you know, he should be all good. And by the sounds of it, it's job done, mate.